Joe Abusia for any abdominum. Mima Obibia Akaba Edi about too much GHS so ebre as a second wahala jumedia dane da yede ebe somono enen so yede eba mopuno anoma munim se ensem no yekochi ekọ brema ya ha ena yede ebe sommo sanse etenti yide yenyai eche esa debiara eda muniaba ekriesika pa ena motimini na sede na wotwe twa mu ene na wotwe we no akwakoye ofa baabia eye Kennedy any Tracy meche despite ni baba ma panyi a waware ye no na ware no ho nsensema ena still eguso a edi atranchie ewo omayi emu na de ababeto edwakra ene sem eye abaya Tracy no achese ansa na wedding no ebe koso anas engagement ni bibia be hye so no achese sa abaya no na wonyim for 5 good months answer no ena chese ema e force Kennedy se woni no ebe ware abusia fo mma yembunra ensem no emu ewe Ghana for some mo nim se 15th of February after see the vows day we ye ena chese yenua ba Tracy ene Kennedy wo mo de wo mo ware ehhye so wonu no na ware no ebebe pie your white wedding na nkasa wo hu say yes cars nie entade nie ene chese bibia ekoso kama rings ne ho nkro ne ba e ba free drone ne yinyina no chese ebeye the talk of the town what is will be a kasam de fa ho na dia aba be pie mu kura ene se eye abaya no na wonim enunti ene ma Kennedy de ahopeprem eye den eware na chese ade no kura na eni ni mu se wo be ware eye Tracy no but because of say nyinsen ekoko pie mu nti no na chese wo fa no wo otwa ne ho baabi a entwa wo ne ho baabi a engina de wo ya obeso wo ya ne se o ware abaya no se ne ebe ya bibia ebeto edin na numu na chesem Ghana forcing ayampa because ye hwe emfonyi tamabaya ne hye ne white gown pan na nafu obi oya slim de only say slim people there one more e flat tummy na e ba say afedi obi oya slim na wonya protruded tummy no na afedi no e ma Ghana for did say ayampa say Kennedy for say no and a man ware abaya Tracy or because of Sam one him because obi oya slim de untimi shata there that wedding day no pan abrawofum ebe to me epiem we etiwe akwakoya kasakasa Ghana for obi a eche na adwen ewofun omo twe ne sere ene abasa ebi no mo say yampa Sankanya papa dia nkanya dia se aware yi ebeba wo show so because Ghana for ya ntehwe amfa ho de hu ya ne engagement ehhye so da engagement ne course nkrampo ansana yesa fa na nyina obi eti se ye despite ne babema ware entino na chese de edi antrentwi wo social media se abaya no wonyem enu nti na ye ma Kennedy force ne ma ne ware no na chese ebeya no krebinum se aden bone ben enti mo de chese aware yi nipa ya ware a wakọ ne honeymoon nti mo kamo ma wo mo enya aso mo ma wo ma so nkwa didi ade bia we sori a we sei aden se wonyimo eye den ya wanya ware na yiwe wo be wo no so nye se wo be wo dwan aponche oye nipa na wo be wo no nti munya wo mo na wo mo endwene wo mo ehu abusuafo mo man konkote na no binum adwencha wo mo de eba ye ana ede a wo de eba ye wo sing Ghanaians, you talk too much. You thinking from the view of the bride's tummy, thinking that she is pregnant. Can't she have that tummy? Maybe you guys did never notice it because all her pictures that came out, she was wearing trousers and skirts. So maybe you people didn't find out. But the straight dress just brought everything out. That doesn't mean she is pregnant. Or so Edia what they ever say say abaya imunim no. Muhu no nimfoni eba abonten. Enye tra na ehye na ye skirt. Enti ebe de watimi ehunu say abaya iwonyim anase wonyim Ghana for mo kasa. Straight dress or share ye na ebi eyi na fu anase say eno no nkyere say wonyim. Ai ye nua eye Bernard Edewode Ebayosin. Please leave this couple to enjoy their honeymoon. Please and please again. Why? At least if she is pregnant, she's going to give birth to a human being. I said they can kind of say, Munya woman no maninje, one more a honeymoon or one more economy because a heading as a one yum, a ham pass one yum, one day nipa, and a wobber war, uncle one day in the pie, a bit matters in the ashen on one day, and no and a better say you're Nick Kennedy and him here, so I'm going to be friend and him here now, you're share no man warena chilling and a baby but say see a bien to me ma bontino mon kama nutum na monye hwe han ewo eho yenia Priscilla eso edo de eba was say hey Miss Tracy Asante, is that how you are? You just got pregnant with him because you thought he was having money, because he's the first son of this wife, so you want your son or you want your child to get all the inheritance. But don't worry, at long last the truth will come out. On also everyone say say I'm Papa Tracy, so I shed that pan or shed that name yesterday and I'm say obeware na na onam so ono so ya despite a baba kind no e japade betima baba do ba wanu ntina wudi se adwuma we pan dia na he ka wanu tum suba wo we etisenyin sa na nyin se so de ye ya ebepie wuntimi fa nkosie enko awieye na bibia no Ghana for ye wa ha ye be hu de etuamu ebusiafo we ene ensema ababeto apono so Ghana for bebre etwe ne se na pasa se abaya no wonyem na one yam okrampo no nyim for 5 months na nchire mu kra bada da say abante no hu abaye e ni 6 months mu ana wo mo ede eware ye no 85 months ni de na che say ebinum gindi say ebeye ampa ebinum so say aden Ghana for mo kasa bibia mo be kasa wo nti mu ma wo mo ware no wo mo asom enjo wo mo abusia wo so wo fie wa hwemfonyi ye call so wo hwehwe wedding gown abaye wo hye said the moon in petroleum terminal. Also, so only one more ya drain a say or yam nana, and answer would the woman say, a normal thing because the war on man, not that day be one book set and as a BB and winting a man of funny appear for a drink channel ebra too much GA subscribers share for more for all the social media platform now Emery Pemno, your back in kind a day among Midiane, Ekia, Sikapa, Akram.